Patterns help writers elaborate. Writers, today I want to teach you that famous writers like Cynthia Rylant play with patterns to stretch out parts of their stories. One way to do that is to work in three details or three examples when describing something. I've noticed when Cynthia Rylant elaborates with a pattern in her story, she adds three details about a feeling or an action. Patterns in Poppleton. Poppleton used to be a city pig. He took taxis. He jogged in the park. He went to museums. Those are three examples of how Poppleton is a city pig. Taxis, parks, museums. Another example of how Cynthia Rylant elaborates with a pattern in this story is when she added three meals that Poppleton shared with his friend Cherry Sue. They have oatmeal for breakfast, toasted cheese for lunch, and spaghetti for dinner. Writers, let's give this a try. Use the last story you wrote or start a new story. I want you to come up with three details that describe the setting of your story or the main character. You could also use three details to describe how a character is feeling or why a character feels the way they do. Make a pattern. He worried about, he worried that, mostly he worried. Off you go. Before you get started on writing today, look over your stories and find at least one place where you might add a pattern. Then, get writing like Cynthia Rylant and create patterns of three.